Hey there, how's everyone doing today? Today we're unboxing a new G-Shock watch. This is, as you can see here on the box, one of the new 6900 series. And the 6900 series is one of the classic G-Shock models. Now this model is a little more rounded than the traditional DW 5000 models. And you can see here in its normal case and the instructions and warranty card underneath here. And here we got the watch covered in this fabric type pouch. And here we go. Very, very cool looking. The 6900 series is where they first introduced the triple graph model, you know, the three circles on the top of the digital screen there. And this debuted in 1995. So this watch is celebrating the 25th anniversary of that watch. So in this new release, the anniversary edition, they have three different models that came out. This one here is the red with it's almost like a gunmetal color, and instead of them being, you know, rubber or plastic like before, they've actually did what they did with the other series, the 5000 series, and they decided to cover it with metal. So it's a really cool look for a watch you're pretty much standard of seeing. And here you can see you can change the band out with those little latches there, so you could change the color. And again, this is like a shiny gunmetal with the red. The model that's red here is the more limited of the three watches that came out. They will only be produced for a short amount of time compared to the gold and silver counterparts. And it is 200 meters, and it's got a flash alert buzzer. And here you can see it on my wrist. The watch is about 50 millimeters. The exact measurements are 53.9 by 49.7 and 18.6 millimeters thick, but the 53.9 are from top to bottom. The real size of the watch when you're wearing it would be, you know, 49.7 millimeters. And let's go see it in the dark. And here you can see it with the electroluminescent black light afterglow. And besides that, it's got stopwatch functions. And there you can see the triple graph going. Very cool. Thanks.